day today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the next question. It's called NodeStore. And before I dive into the question, I just wanted to tell you guys that I really appreciate each and every one of you who's viewing my videos. I'm going to try to tell you guys a small joke, and if you find it even somewhat funny, you'd have to smash that like button. So the joke is as follows. Why couldn't the pirate get into the movie theater? Because it was rated R. For that, you have to press the like button and subscribe button. Now let's get back into the problem at hand. So today we're building NodeStore. So what is a NodeStore? Basically, a NodeStore allows us to store values associated with DOM nodes inside this class called NodeStore. This NodeStore class will have three different methods. The first method is setNode and value, which sets the value for the given node. The second method has getValue, which allows us to retrieve the value from the associated given node. And finally, the last method is called has, which accepts one argument node, which returns a Boolean, allowing us to know whether or not that DOM node even exists within the store. Remember, we'll be storing DOM nodes, so each retrieval might have the same node item, so we want to have the keys to be completely unique. What do I mean by that? Now here's a quick example. Imagine we have two nodes here, right? And both nodes are P elements. So we have a node 1 and node 2. Well, what if I store the node 1 value to be 1 and node 2 value to be 2? Well, everything will work as expected, right? Initially, we'll say store.get node 1. We would expect it to return 1 and store node 2 to return 2. But think about it like this. Because they're DOM nodes, if we're setting our key value within our store as the node itself, because they're both P tags, node 1 will be overwritten by node 2 because they're exactly the same P tags. So I guess without complicating things further, we want the keys to be unique based off of the node element. By the way, what I'm showing you guys here is frontendlead.com. This is a website that I've created that's going to help many people study for front-end engineering interview questions. We have over 30 plus different JavaScript specific questions, and we're working on adding 70 plus more questions. Each question has a detailed problem statement, a full in-depth solution with comments, and then finally an entire article explaining how to solve the problem. So if you're studying for front-end engineering interviews, I really recommend checking out frontendlead.com. We even offer 3 questions for free just to start off. So let's now get into the coding solution. So let's look at our NodeStore. So we have a class NodeStore, and in here we want to keep track of the key value pairs that we're going to be wanting to save. So let's build that. So we'll define a class variable, and because it's a class variable, you want to generally define that with underscore. And let's call this cache, which is going to be an empty object. Because we want to try to be performant, we want to have a O1 time space complexity. So because of that, we are using an object here, or hash map. So the first method is set, right? So the set method has 2 arguments. It has node and has value. So we got to figure out how to grab a unique key rather than using the node as the key. So what we can do is we can use the size of the cache to determine what the node key should be. That we can do something like this. We'll say const key equals to object.keys this dot underscore cache dot length. So all we're saying is our key is going to be the cache's keys basically. So it's a list of keys, and we just want the length of the key to be our key for this particular node. So in this case, because our cache is empty, the key is going to be 0 here, but as we add another item, our key will be 1 and so forth. So that will be our key. The next thing is we want to also set our key to the node itself. So we'll say node, and we'll give the node a unique identifier where we can provide the key information. So we'll say underscore underscore key equals to key. Lastly, we just want to set the key into our node store, into our cache. So I'll say cache key equals to value. So that'll take care of our set. Now let's build our get. So get has a one argument called node. And we want to kind of do something similar to what we're doing here. So we can continue using this like object.keys, this.cache get, but let's try to make this a helper method because we're going to be repeating this a few times. So let's just call it get key, which takes in a node, and simply just returns us the node. And then what do we call it? It's underscore underscore key. So this will give us the key. So we'll say const key equals to this dot get key node. And then all we need to do here is we just need to say return the cache key node. So we'll say this, something like this, and cache with the key will just return the value. The next thing we want to do is put the has method. So for has, it also takes in a node. And here, because this returns a Boolean, we can actually copy the same logic from the get, but in the return, we'll say cache key does not equal to undefined. As long as this is not undefined, this will provide has. And that's pretty much it for our node store. So let's try testing this out. So we already have the store defined. So let's define our first set. So we'll say store.set node with the value of 1. And then we want to set node 2 with the value of 2. And now we want to do store.get node. Let's put this in a console.log. And then finally, we want to do store.get node 2. And then actually, let's also do another console.log store.get node 1. We just want to make sure node 1 is not ever overwritten. So here we would expect it to return 1. We would expect this to return 2. And we would expect this to also return 1. So let's run this. We got an error. Reference error, cache is not defined. Oh yes, I need to do this.cache, not just cache directly. And then here as well. I think that looks good. Let's run this again. Cool. So we got 1, 2, 1, just as expected. Let's do one more. Let's try to find something that doesn't exist in our node store. So let's define another node. Maybe let's call it. So in here, let's call this node 3. But let's do store.get node 3. Let's do a console.log store.has node 3. We'd expect this to be false. And then let's do console.log store has node 2. We would expect this to be true. So let's run this. Cool. Everything's working as expected. So that is how you build the node store. Thank you guys for watching so much. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.